Dress appropriately for the industry. The personal grooming and cleanliness should be impeccable. Make a research about the profile of the company you are applying to. Arrive early, 10 minutes prior to the interview start time. Treat other people you encounter with courtesy and respect.
How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you for the opportunity to speak. Can you briefly introduce yourself Certainly, I am Jerian Bajalto and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management, from Cavite State University, Bacoor Campus. I am applying for this position because it aligns with my skills and interests. I believe that my strong communication skills, positive work ethics, and willingness to learn will allow me to contribute effectively to your organization. What do you consider as your strength? One of my strengths is my ability to communicate clearly, work well with others. I am also organized, responsible, and always open to learning, especially in a professional environment. Thank you for the time to today. Thank you very much for your time today. I really appreciate the opportunity to talk today.
It shows how important preparation and positive attitude can make a big deal. The applicant arrived on time, dressed neatly, he spoke confidently, and listened carefully. The respectful behavior, positive body language, and any clear answer made the interviewer feel comfortable and impressed. The kind of attitude increases the chance of getting the job just by showing professionalism and responsibility, and it also created a strong first impression.
I'm so sorry I was late because the traffic was terrible.
So by the way, tell me about yourself and why you love driving.
So here's my resume. I'm Angelo F. Dizon and I am applying for this position because I hear my friend that you're hiring.
So what do you consider as your strength?
I'm not really sure. I guess you should give me a try. See what I can do.
I guess thank you for coming today. It was
This interview demonstrates how being poorly prepared and exhibiting a disappointing attitude may leave a negative impression. The applicant arrived late, did not show courtesy, provided unclear answers, and appeared indifferent. The interviewer became uncomfortable with the candidate's terrible body language and lack of preparation. This type of action could decrease the chances of being recruited and also demonstrate a lack of professionalism and respect.
I am my senior
Sure, but I guess you should give me a try so I can do a shot. So here's my